Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, everyone. So today I got Redmi Note 9 and I am having Miui 12.5.4, the stock stable ROM on my Redmi Note 9, the global variant. If you can see that MI stand for global ROM, and I will show how to flash the Miui 13.0.1 China variant ROM on Redmi Note 9. Doesn't matter if you have a global variant or if you have a India variant or Europe variant, you can still flash the China variant ROM. But the most important part is you have to do first to unlock the bootloader of your Redmi Note 9, and then you can flash the China ROM on your Redmi Note 9. And one more thing, that after flashing the China ROM, the bootloader will remain unlocked as far using the China variant ROM. Otherwise, if you relock the bootloader while using a China ROM or any other custom ROM, the Redmi Note 9 or any other device will get brick and the system will get destroyed. So before going further, if you did not subscribe my channel, then click the subscribe button and click the bell icon and select all. Thank you so much for doing that. I will strongly advise you to save all the data first, because this procedure will format everything. Better to save the data. Check the battery should be charged minimum to 50%, and before going further, go to settings. If you have set the password security, the lock screen password, then turn it off, and then go to Mi account. In case if you are using a Mi account, check your Mi account, sync your Mi account once, then remove it. Same way, go to account sync your Google account once, and then remove it. This is my downloaded folder, and all the required files links are provided in my video description. You can simply make a new folder and download all these files. This is the Weeb caps for Google application. After flashing the China ROM, we will flash Weeb caps. This is the custom recovery, and Miui 13.0.1, the China variant ROM for Redmi Note 9. Magisk for root. We have to root the set. When after flashing the ROM, we need to install the Google application with root access, and this is the Google account manager. Now power off the mobile, and then hold the data cable in your right hand and hold the mobile phone in your left hand. Press and hold the volume down key, then connect the cable. Just wait for a few seconds. The set will boot into fast boot mode, then immediately release the volume down key. Yes, set got booted. I immediately release the volume down key. My set is booted into fast boot mode and also connected with my computer. Coming back towards my computer screen. First of all, extract the recovery Redmi Note 9 file here in same folder, and then open the extracted custom recovery folder and simply double click the flash 1 file. Then double click the flash 2 file and double click the flash 3 file. Immediately press and hold the volume up key after when set got rebooted. Just wait for the set to boot into custom recovery. Immediately release the volume up key. Come back to the main downloaded folder now. Set got booted into custom recovery, and the internal storage will get appears on your computer screen. Double click on it. All the files and folders will have a proper name. You can see now on the mobile phone screen. Tap wipe, then tap format data and type YES. Tap here. Done. Come back to the main screen. Tap reboot. Tap recovery. Set booted once again into custom recovery. Internal storage got appears on my computer screen. Double click on it. Yes, we got the TWRP folder with proper name. Coming back towards my downloaded folder, copy the ROM file Miui Merlin 13.0.1 and the Magisk 25.1 file from the downloaded folder and paste it into the internal storage of the Redmi Note 9. Come back towards the mobile phone screen, tap settings, then tap the third menu here and bring the screen time out to maximum. Brightness is also already maximum. Now come back towards the main screen of the custom recovery. Wait for it. Okay, cable is already connected and the cable will be connected all the time during this procedure. Now when both files got copied, then tap the wipe section here on the custom recovery screen, then tap advanced wipe, select Dalvik art cache, the first partition, second the data partition, and third the cache. Do not select the internal storage. These three partitions need to be selected, then swipe. When it is done, then come back to the main screen of custom recovery, tap install and select the ROM file from this folder and then swipe to start flashing. It will take a time. Now wait for it. And when ROM flashing got completed, then come back to the main screen, tap advanced and tap file manager, and then go to the internal storage, come down, tap SD card, then tap Magisk and tap rename file. Erase the APK from here and then type ZIP and tap here, swipe. The file got changed from APK to ZIP. Come back to the main screen, tap install and select the Magisk file, the zip file, swipe to start flashing to get the root access on the Redmi Note 9. And after when the flashing of Magisk completed, then tap wipe cache and Dalvik, swipe and tap reboot system. Do not disconnect the cable, as I mentioned before that the cable will be connected all the time during this procedure. Now wait for it. The set will start booting into Miui 13.0.1 ROM. The first boot will take a time. First boot got completed. I will complete the setup screen now. I will connect a Wi-Fi here because my SIM card is already there and the 4G network is started and Wi-Fi got connected. Now on this screen, set is asking me to sign into the Mi account. I do not want to sign in right now, so I will tap sign in using Mi account and then I will tap forgot password and then tap sign in later in settings. Later, yes, continue completing my setup screen. Finally got Miui 13.0.1, Redmi Note 9 13.0.1, Miui 13.0.1. We'll check Android version 12, Miui version 13.0.1 and baseband. The numbers below baseband must see the numbers. We got the ROM flashed perfectly. I will go to home screen. Turn off the home search bar here, remove, then tap to turn off the app vault here, turn off. These are my settings. I will tap icons to make the icons bigger and I will uninstall few applications that already comes with the China ROM. Right. Now it is time to get the root access on the Redmi Note 9. I cannot see the Magisk application currently here on my screen. So we have to install the Magisk application. Tap File Manager to open the File Manager. Tap Agree and tap Storage. OK. Now we have to copy the Magisk file once again from the downloaded folder. Tap scroll down the notification bar, tap charging the device via USB. We have to change from no data transfer to file transfer, so the internal storage will appears on the computer screen. Now copy Google Account Manager from the downloaded folder, Magisk application the 25.1 version and Weeb caps the Google application. These three files need to be copied from the downloaded folder and paste it to the internal storage of mobile phone. We are done from the computer and disconnect the cable from mobile phone right now. Just scroll down and you will see release to refresh. When after releasing, then scroll down and you will see all the three files. Now install the Magisk application on the mobile phone. Allow, install. Tap OK, and when it is done, then come back to the main screen of mobile phone. Magisk application icon you will see on the mobile phone screen. Tap to open the Magisk application. Tap OK. The set will reboot in few seconds. After when set got restart, then again open the Magisk application and then tap modules. then tap install from storage, tap recent, select the file manager, scroll down, select Weeb gaps and tap OK. The installation will get started. When it is done, then tap reboot. And now tap to open the file manager, tap storage, scroll down and install the Google account manager. Okay, we are done. Come back to the main screen. We got Play Store here. Now tap Magisk, tap settings, scroll down and turn on the ZYGISK. Then tap configure deny list. And you will see Google account manager here. Put a check sign on this Google account manager. That's all. Now come back to the main screen. Then go to settings and tap apps. Then tap manage apps. Tap three dots here. Tap show all applications. Search and type. This is the China keyboard. So we have to do few things before using the China keyboard. Agree and then tap here and type GOOGLE and you will see Google account manager. Tap on it, then tap clear all data. Okay, done. Go back, tap Google calendar sync, then tap clear all data. Okay, go back, tap Google account contact sync, clear all data. Yes, same way we have to do. And then tap Google Play Store, clear all data once again. Done. Go back, Google Services Framework, clear all data. Tap OK. Go back. Now at the end, tap Google Play Services, tap clear all data, tap manage space and tap clear all data. Tap OK. Done. And now you can simply tap the Google Play Store. It will ask to sign in. Tap sign in. Wi-Fi must be connected on your Redmi Note 9. Now sign in your Google account here. Next, agree. And finally, the Google account got signed in on my Redmi Note 9 having the China variant ROM Miui 13.0.1 GOOGLE and tap here. Now we have to download few application of related from Google apps, that is Google Maps. Tap on it, tap install. The first one, Google LLC. Tap on it, tap install. If you want Chrome, you can go for that. And then Google Keyboard, Gmail, YouTube, Google Calendar, and if you are using Google Keep Notes, then go for that. Now just wait for it, let all the application install, then we will continue. We are done installing all the Google applications that are required for the Miui 13.0.1 China variant ROM. Now simply tap first the Keep Notes, tap Get Started and turn on Sync. That's all. Now go back, tap Gmail to open it. Got it. Take me to Gmail. Got it. Okay, done. Now tap YouTube. You can see all the applications are working perfectly. Okay, YouTube working and running perfectly. And then tap Google Calendar. Got it. Allow only while using the app. No, allow all the time. Allow only while using this time allow only while using this app, the app. I will turn the format to month. Right, language and input. Manage keyboard. Turn on the Google keyboard first. Tap OK. Then turn off all the three Chinese keyboards. Then tap Gboard and make the changes here if you want. And then go back and tap secure keyboard. Turn off the secure keyboard also. Now we got the totally working Google keyboard on Redmi Note 9 Miui 13.0.1. We'll go to message application, tap Me message, no, tap cancel, and I will show the Google keyboard. Here we go, we got the Google keyboard now. Let me show first contacts. The contacts are synced or not. Yes, I got my contacts all on my Redmi Note 9 MIUI China ROM. And then tap settings, scroll down, tap account sync. To show you few things, tap Google account, and definitely you will see here the sync is properly working. If anything not working, just tap uncheck, then tap a check sign and it will sync. Tap uncheck, then tap check sign once again. If still not working, it will get work later, because I have installed the Google Calendar also, and this calendar is the application of the MIUI ROM. Everything is working absolutely perfect. Open the Play Store, simply whatever application you want you can install. So this was a video how to flash MIUI 13.0.1, the China variant ROM on Redmi Note 9, the global. Doesn't matter if you have a global variant, if you have a Europe variant, if you have an India variant, but the bootloader must be remains unlocked as far using the MIUI 13.0.1, the China ROM on Redmi Note 9. I got the Google application. You have I just showed that Google application is absolutely perfectly working on the Redmi Note 9. To take a good care of yourself, do not forget to like the video and to also subscribe my channel. Keep sharing it with others. Thank you. Take a good care of yourself. Goodbye.